This is a video for my professional responsibility class about ABA Formal Ethics Opinion 503, which addresses lawyer emails and the reply all problem. Attorneys who copy their clients on emails or text sent to opposing counsel or co-counsel in a matter impliedly consent to receiving that lawyer's reply all response, which will include the original clients as recipients to the reply. It's always better to forward these emails or texts to clients separately. Alternatively, lawyers may communicate in advance to receiving counsel that they do not consent to a reply all response, including their clients. This will override the presumption of implied consent. Remember that under Rule 4.2, in representing a client, a lawyer may not communicate about the subject of the representation with a represented person absent the consent of that person's lawyer unless a law or court order authorizes it. But by including a client as a recipient when writing to opposing counsel, a lawyer has impliedly consented to the client being included as a recipient in the reply all response, so there's no violation of Rule 4.2. Note that a few states in their own ethics opinions have reached the opposite conclusion on this question. But for law students, remember the ABA position is the correct answer for the MPRE. And that concludes our lecture about Ethics Opinion 503, Reply All in Electronic Communications. I'm Drew Stevenson at South Texas College of Law.